Is it time to buy or sell Ford stock? In this video, we will explore Ford in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, and we are back with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to overlook any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 25th of July, 2024, our system has ranked Ford as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.53. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock has broken the wide and strong rising short-term trend downward. This indicates a slower rate of increase, and it may also serve as an early warning for a potential trend shift. With this trend broken, there will now be resistance at the lower boundary of the trend at $12.49. A return to this level could provide a second opportunity to exit before further declines. Analyzing the current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 11% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 24% to 46%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 7.5% over the next year, with a potential return between 0.323% and 40%. This implies a price range between $11.20 and $15.66 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Ford includes the headline, Ford's stock price took a fall of 18.36% on Thursday. The Ford stock price fell by 18.36% on the last day, Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, from $13.67 to $11.16. It has now fallen for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 7.44%, with a day low at $11.15 and a day high of $11.98. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 17.15% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 186 million shares, albeit with falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, and the risk will be slightly elevated over the next couple of days. In total, 256 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.86 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $14.85, and the lowest price was $9.63. Currently, the price is 24.85%, or $3.69, below the 52-week high, and 56.86%, or $14.71, below the all-time high on January 13, 2022, when the price reached $25.87. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned F an overweight rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 22nd of July, 2024, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned F a sector perform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 16th of July, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned F an overweight rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 7th of June, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned F an outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 22nd of May, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned F an outperform rating with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned Ford stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have issued a sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Ford. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Ford stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. On upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at levels of $13.68 and $12.78. A breakout above either of these thresholds would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 18, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by 23.3%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 6 days ago. Bollinger presents a buy signal from 9 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average reveals a sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 20 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago as well. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 11 days ago. To discover more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop-loss analysis for Ford. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and, with good trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 83 cents between its highest and lowest points, reflecting a change of 7.44%. Throughout the previous week, the stock demonstrated an average daily volatility of 3.98%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Ford, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a subdued expectation for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, potentially presenting a buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 24th of October, 2024. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ford. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ford is at $12.11. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point worth considering for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Ford from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of July, 2024, Cisneros Adriana conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of no derivative securities owned. On the 11th of July, 2024, Cisneros Adriana conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of no securities owned. On the 10th of June, 2024, English Alexandra Ford conducted an insider purchase of 4,386 shares of Class B stock with a par value of 1 cent. On the 10th of June, 2024, English Alexandra Ford conducted an insider purchase of 14,620 shares of Class B stock with a par value of 1 cent. On the 10th of June, 2024, English Alexandra Ford conducted an insider sale of 5,848 shares of Class B stock with a par value of 1 cent. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 29.814. Overall, insiders purchased 6,791,149 shares and sold 3,592,940 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Ford stock a good buy? The Ford stock exhibits several negative signals, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Ford will perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold or accumulate stance to a strong sell recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 26th of July, we expect Ford to open at 270 cents and begin trading at $11.43. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.